silence where shadows creep. I search for answers, my heart feels deep, wondering why I can't hear this call. In the stillness, I feel so small. Life's a puzzle, pieces scattered wide. In the chaos I struggle to abide, seeking solace in this quiet night, hoping for a glimpse of divine light. But in the void I find my strength, a whisper of hope at arm's length. I close my eyes and breathing in, a journey starts, let the healing begin. Why can't I hear God's voice today? In the silence I kneel and pray. Open my heart, let the stillness break. Guide me, Lord, for your love's sake. I'll find the way to hear you clear. In every doubt I'll draw you near. With every breath I'll seek your grace. In the quiet I'll find my place. Mountains tremble, oceans roar, yet here I stand, longing for more.
In the moments where faith feels thin, I lift my spirit, let the journey begin.
Let me feel the warmth of your embrace. In the silence I'll find my space. Teach me to listen, to trust the signs. In the stillness your love aligns. Why can't I hear, why can't I see beauty in your mystery? With every heartbeat I'll seek the way to understand what you wanna say. Why can't I